Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. We are testing out a powder. What kind of powder in this video? We are testing out a green powder with collagen. This is by purebeautanics. It's called Restore Revitalizing Beauty Greens with Collagen, vanilla flavor. Okay, so just to be completely transparent, because you guys know I keep it real with you, this is a sponsored video. So this company is sponsoring this video. The reason I like this company, not only because, what does this say? It says made in the USA. Yes, you know what? I love all of you guys who watch my videos and love that you guys support my channel, but I try to support companies that are made in the country that I'm from. You know, it's kind of like I want to bring jobs back to the United States, and this company is made here in the US of A, okay? So it is gluten-free, 100% organic. What is it? You're like, what is it? I'm going to show you guys in a second, me trying it out. And yes, I don't look so beautiful and testing it out because it's early in the morning when I try this. It is supposed to like make a difference in your body. It is supposed to give you energy. Collagen, if you guys don't know, actually is the component that keeps your skin elasticity. It keeps it tight. It keeps it from sagging. It also helps you with joint and muscle aches. But this here is a green powder, meaning that it has organic green blend. Honestly, it doesn't say what the exact blend is, but I think, and I'm just speculating, that this has probably spirulina in it. It has it's all organic, by the way. Organic marine collagen, organic cordyceps mushroom, organic amia powder, organic vitamin C, organic MSM, organic hyaluron, organic vanilla. Lots of ingredients. Okay, so this is supposed to help you, obviously, like I said, with your skin, with your joints, but it's also supposed to give you energy. It's supposed to like help you, I don't know, like nourish your body. What do I think about it? Let's go ahead and just jump on over to that video of me trying it, and I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and just roll on over there right now. Good morning. Yes, I just woke up. My face was puffy. I am extremely sore and extremely tired. Why? Because I installed this all by myself for the last 2 days. And this sucker right here, this bar that you see, this extra cabinets, is heavier than heck. And I am just not as strong as I used to be, honestly. So like my shoulders hurt, my back hurts, like I am in a lot of pain. Okay, so we're going to try this for the very first time. And I'm actually excited to do this because, you know, my joints hurt, honestly. Like I'm in so much pain. And I know that collagen can actually help with your joints, the lubrication of your joints, if you want to put it that way. So I need as much lube as possible in my joints because, oh my gosh, hats off to anybody who does like cabinets or in construction or whatever, because I couldn't do that. I'm a little bit of a wimp, and I just, you know, it was a real reality check afterwards of how much stronger I used to be and how much less stronger I am. So got it done. I think it looks great. So we're going to go ahead and try this for the first time because I need as much help as possible. And plus, guys, if you don't know, collagen is great for your skin. It's actually what holds the elasticity in your skin. Let me clarify. It's what holds your skin together. Like collagen is what, roll up. Collagen is what keeps this. You see how the skin is attached? You can see it's not saggy, it's tight right here. Now, versus like, you see how this is getting loose? Yeah, this is collagen. This is what keeps your skin tight. If you're able to actually pull your skin off, that means that you're losing collagen. Plus, if you guys don't know, when you go through menopause, you lose like the majority, 80-something% of your collagen within the first year, 5 years, something like that. Anyways, so I'm rambling on. I know you guys are just curious of what this tastes like. Let's get started. I have 1 cup of regular milk. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna taste it to see what it tastes like just by itself. You guys can see what it looks like. It smells to me like spirulina. That's 1, 2. And we're gonna see what this tastes like just like this. And I'm gonna add some other stuff in a sec. Let's just taste it a little bit. Okay, let's taste it. Wow. Okay, so honestly, it tastes very green, meaning I'm actually gonna have to add some fruit in here because it's a very green. For those who like super green tasting powders, when I say green, like you think the spirulina, the greens that come in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put some fruit in it, and we're gonna taste it then together. So I'm not promoting a company. This is just a strawberry peach mango mix. You get them at the dollar store. Go ahead and just open this up and dump it in the blender. I made it more like an ice cream. Doesn't that look like so delicious? Look at that. But yeah, I guess just don't put as much frozen fruit. Let's go ahead and taste this together. Okay, so yeah, for me personally, I'm gonna have to use the fruit in my smoothie because, I mean, you can put it in water and drink it like that, or you can add it in smoothies or different beverages. Honestly, I prefer it with the fruit because it sweetens it up enough to where it's not overly green for me. So the main purpose of drinking this, I'm eating it technically right now, is really for my joints, for my skin, for my energy level. So we will see in 7 days. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Restore your mind.
Good morning, guys. I'm here with my brother Josh. I am introducing the Restore powder to him today. We put it in water. So Josh normally drinks a lot of superfoods or a lot of...
I like a lot of spinach, kale, broccoli, anything green I like. And I usually make my own smoothies in the morning. So let's try this out and see how it goes.
He has never tried it.
I have never tried it. Let's do it.
Okay, let's try it.
That's not bad. That's actually really good.
He was a little freaked out at first with
it's intimidating because the amount of green you see in here, you automatically think that it's going to be chalky or weird in some way. Not weird, but
too strong.
Too strong, yeah, because it looks like a powerful drink, but it's actually...
It's not too overwhelming.
It's not very overwhelming at all.
So the first time I tried this, I put 2 scoops in. It was really strong. So the trick is to put 1.
Take it all day. So, cheers.
So Josh has already left. He finished his juice. I'm still working on mine. He described it as being a little bland in just water. He thought like this would taste so much better in fruit juice, which I totally agree with that. But I did want him to just taste it how it actually truly tastes without any interference from fruits or vegetables. And he said it was fine. It wasn't overwhelming. And yes, it does look very intimidating. That was a good word that he used. But he describes it as bland, and I describe it as very green. Okay, guys, so what did I think about it? I think honestly, if you are used to doing like a green juice, a green drink, that doing 2 scoops would be fine for you. Doing 2 scoops was a little much for me because that reaction that I had was like, it's a little too green for me, okay? Did it give me energy? What I'm going to say, this is just what happened with my system. I'm going to say that how do I say this without being too graphic? So I'm going to say I went to the restroom a little bit more than normal. And by doing that, it gave, I honestly think like it almost like, for me, it almost like helped clean my system out a little bit. And I think that also contributed to me having more energy. Was I like, oh, full of energy, like a drink, like you know, those energy drinks? No. But did I have like more sustainable energy where I didn't have to take that like 1 hour nap throughout the day? Yeah, I took smaller naps, you know, not the long naps that I was doing. I would honestly say that this is a great product. I do love the fact that it says manufactured in Houston, Texas. That is where I was born. It's a third party tested as well, and it's FDA approved, made in a facility FDA. Like, it has such great ingredients. This company, I've worked with this company before. Like, everything they send me is like top notch. And I'm just like, wow, you know, I mean, like, not every company makes 100% amazing products. We all know that. But this company, they haven't failed me yet. So I actually think this is a really good product if you are trying to start the new year out, getting back on a right track, getting back on the wagon, so to speak, you know, trying to get healthy and like making sure that your body has the nutrition that it needs. Not only that, but I personally think, this is just my opinion, okay? I think that by doing green juices, green smoothies, put in water, just a green powder in general, I think that it kind of helps boost your immune system, you know, by giving you those vitamins and minerals that your body might be lacking. And we all know that this stupid virus is going around. And I think that, I'm not saying that this is going to like, oh, like this is help against the virus. No, but this is help against sickness in general. Because when you have a superfood, a super green powder like this, it really gives you those extras that your body needs. And so I would totally recommend this. Now, the flavor might not be for everybody, but I would say, you know what? Try it. See if you like it. It's really not that bad. I have tried many super green powders before, and some of them are just like, oh, I can't take this, you know? This one, you know, if you feel that the green is a little too green for you, put it in some water, like what I did with Joshua, you know, my brother. Put it in some water and just down it, you know, kind of like what people do when they do apple cider and stuff that's like real, you know, if you can't really grasp the taste, I would say just do it, you know it's going to be good for you. You know, you're going to try to improve your health, and this is going to be a contributor to that. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Would you try it? Would you not try it? You know, sound off below, share me with your friends. But that is my opinion of this product. I think it is really good, honestly. But to take it to kind of like mask that taste, if you can't bear a green powder, honestly, I would say put it with some frozen fruit, and it kind of gets rid of that super green taste. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Christina Marie, I'm out. Bye.